So my wife here decided to earlier in the week. It's like you want to go on a boat ride. So, but how did you find out?
Well, and the thing is, the air show's this weekend, so I'm like, oh, that'd be good to go on the boat ride in Milwaukee down the river, and it takes you out into Lake Michigan. And then if they're practicing for the air show this weekend, which they are. We don't know when they're practicing, but we might be able to see the Blue Angels or the F-22. I was watching TV, and there was a lady on there on the news from historic Milwaukee, I think it was. And she was talking about, it was actually the Edelweiss cruise line she was talking about, and then telling how they have these cruises where they tell the history of Milwaukee. And that's where I got the idea. I'm like, wow, that's a good idea. We're off that day, and it's supposed to be really nice. So
Perfect.
let's do it.
Yeah.
That was fun.
That was fun.
Yeah.
Highly recommend. 90 minutes of history of Milwaukee on a boat.
Yeah.
That was pretty cool.
We got to see some planes from the air show. That was extra.
How much for tickets?
Couple nights with all of them.
They're $28.99.
So basically $30 a person.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
No. It was worth it.
So now we're gonna head down to the lakefront to see
Some
any
ice
more.
cream.
Yeah, get some ice cream. Yeah.
River float. Hopefully. Don't walk on.
All right, so we found a spot close to Bradford Beach where basically the air show's happening. So the F-22 is about to take stage here. It's the most badass plane in our military, in my opinion.
Coming straight at us. Oh, cool.